So this is the first part of the short form. We're going to break it down into small segments. Take a breath in. Have your arms so they only go to about shoulder height. Bend your knees so your knees go over your toes. Drop your hands to the left side. Now turn into a cat stance. Cat stance meaning you're going to take about 3/4 of the weight on the back leg and the toe on the front. So let's start again. We start at the beginning. Bring the arms up. Breathe in. Breathe through your nose. Breathe out. Let both arms drop to the left-hand side. Let your weight shift back on the back leg. Raise your right arm and bring your arm to the side like so. Something I'd always talk about in class when we're actually teaching people is you think of having a ball in your hand. You're actually rolling the ball over as you're holding it. That's a really easy image to get your hands in the right position. So let's start again. Arms coming up. Breathe in. Down. Shift your weight out of the back leg, toe in the front. And we're going to kind of roll this ball over. Now we're going to step forward with the right foot on the heel. We're going to roll this ball over and slide or just lift the leg in. And then we're going to go underneath the elbow and across like so. Change the position, come the back leg, and then we're going to take the right hand underneath the left elbow across. Let's do that again. Come in, breathe in. Down, good. Shift your weight to the back leg, roll it over. Step forward, roll over. Take your left hand underneath your right elbow, step forward on your heel, and out. Shift your weight. We're going to do the exact same motion over. Now in this move, we're going to reach over the left arm and pull down. And though Tai Chi is moving meditation, it's also a martial art. You are literally pulling someone's arm down here. So let's do this again. Coming up, down, roll over, good. Step forward heel, turn the ball over, come in. Go to the side on your heel, over. Come in, don't drag your feet, lift them. Step forward, good. Reach over, pull down. Now we're going to do what we call grasping bird's tail. We're going to take our hand, left hand, back, push forward. Pull back. And then you're going to take both of your palms, go forward about the level of someone's solar plexus. Drop your weight down. And we're going to go from side to side. So, and to the side. Drop your weight down. Come up. Now, you're going to take your hand in this position. Your arm shouldn't be straight, should be slightly bent. You're going to step forward and you're going to strike straight forward, like so. Now, you want to make sure that you're down, leaning forward a bit. You're not leaning over, arm up, and you're hitting with the side of your hand here. Okay, so let's go over the whole thing once. And that's as much as we're going to do in this section. Come up, breathe in, breathe out. Roll over, step forward, on your heel, out. Come in. Forward, lower your stance, pull over. Grasping bird's tail, good. Pull in and out. Drop your legs down and down. Good. Come up and out. Perfect.